Alrighty, folks. I'm gonna head up to the attic and fix a PEX line. The PEX tool here. Take my flashlight. I'll go head up the attic. This issue's been ongoing for about a week now. I came up last week and I couldn't figure out where the leak was. I made a trip over the weekend, came back and water was leaking. A lot more than what it was when I first seen it. So came up, found there was a water leak spraying straight up, get everything wet, so I'm gonna crawl back over there and catch up to you guys in a bit. I came up yesterday, found that this line here was leaking. It's got a split right on the other side here where my fingernail is, spraying up into the insulation and the ductwork for the air conditioning, making its way down into the roof of the laundry room. So get this all set up, and then what we're gonna do is cut this in, dry it out. I did purchase some 90-degree elbows. That's basically gonna go right there. And then the expansion sleeves, of course. I had to go all the way up to the valley to get these local hardware store. I didn't carry any of the things I need. So go figure. Repair cost me a lot more than I anticipated, but these lines are meant to last. But I guess if you got the Arizona heat and the cold coming on them throughout the seasons, it tends to weaken the line or whatnot. So get set up and then start working on it. As you can see, I got these two cut off. A 3/4 inch here, 3/4 inch here. This was right there. So I'll do is put the caps on. One cap here. We'll just take care of this first. I ain't no expert at doing any of this plumbing work, but this end here has got a little lip there. That's where you want the end of your pipe to go. So as soon as you put this on the pipe, it's gonna slide on to the red PEX pipe. So just an example, it's gonna go in there, it's gonna hit that lip, it's gonna stop. Once you do that, you'll get your 3/4 inch fitting. What it's gonna do is expand this end. So once it's all expanded, you'll get the 90. You'll pop the 90 in and slide that right over. Once that's done, Do the other end, pop it on. Should be good, so let's get after it. I got those two caps on. Get the tool, expand them, put the 90 in. Be able to hold everything up in place, so pretty simple fix. Let's get it done. I got this on. Got the 90 on that end. I'm gonna do this one here now. Expand it. Slide that 90 right onto this end here. Bring it flush against the pipe. Hopefully that solves all the problems. Push it together. Let that expansion seal a little bit. What it takes is a couple of minutes, and then that seal here should be all sealed up. So quick and easy. So there's so much going on up here. I just need to probably run a whole new system here. So we got this one line going straight, then it comes back, then it goes back out to the main line. So probably need to just cut out these multiple angles in the T that I have here. But I have so much problems with these lines that I've had to do multiple repairs on them. So as you can see, that T there, got a 90 here, got a 90 here, got a T here, and then got another 90 here. So we just eliminate some of those, we should be good. But for the time being, that's my problem there. It's been a couple minutes, but these things usually don't need to sit for too long. They're not made of any drying compounds or anything, so I do think I could have got this one a little bit closer, but we'll see if it holds. If I need to do it again, I will. These things are compression, mechanically compressed, so the wait time for putting one of these on isn't, you don't even have to wait. I mean, by the time we get out to turning the water on, you should be able to go ahead and start your water on, and these should hold. So get down out of the attic, go turn on the water, go run down, turn on the water. And hopefully it holds. Well, the water's back on, water's running, so. You see, it's not a full pipe to run into cold water. I have my little boy helping, so I'll have to have him turn the hot water on. I will really be able to see if it's holding. I'm sure it is.